In fact, we are reality. We are the essence. We are the space in which this wave travels. The space. And in space there are so many waves. All kinds of waves. All kinds of frequencies. All kinds of dimensions. Color waves, sound waves, mental waves, emotional waves, Wi-Fi waves. And the wave of the self, of the I, the body, the incarnation, is also a wave. The problem is that we identify ourselves with this wave, and in this way we cannot be the whole, the space, the essence, the infinity in which everything is contained. We are this infinity in which is contained everything. The wave of the self, the wave of you, the wave of me, the wave of everything. So in fact, when we come back to the true nature, the space, we become everything. I am no longer this me. I become everything. I become another person. I become all of these plants around me. I become the noise, the sounds, the noises, the everything. Everything we live is we. Or rather, everything we experience and everything is experienced, everything that is, are the waves traveling in the space that we are. That is our nature. Why, you ask me why people are searching for it if we already are this truth? Yes, it's like I said, it is because we identify ourselves and we have lost the consciousness. It is like we are asleep. This reality that we are it all of the time, but we are oblivious of it. It is like we are asleep. We forgot about it. It is us, and it is deep down within ourselves, because this is what we are. But we are so confused and so lost and so identified that in waking consciousness we don't experience it. Maybe we come back to it when we are asleep, in this deep dream state, deep sleep state. I don't know how they call it. This, what I say, are just my words. The only way to come to it and to know it is through yourself, Simon, is through your own experience. So you have to search it. It is a paradox that you have to search for your true nature, to search for what you already are. But this is so. All we experience is a dream. We believe in it, so we suffer with it. But one day when we wake up, we realize it was a dream, and no longer it affects us. Have I answered your question? I hope so. I hope so. This is what we have to do to find ourselves. This is the highest thing. This is the only thing. There is nothing else. You can choose to stay asleep in this dream world, going there and there, searching for something there and finding something there, losing something there, dreaming, thinking that you have grown, thinking that you have found something and losing it, and again finding that you are in the very same situation as before. So the only real thing is when we come is to find yourself, is to come to this peace and bliss, as you say, and love. It is very hard to believe in it, to believe that you are loved, to believe that everything is beautiful, if you don't have this experience. But this is the only way, and everybody can go for it, everybody can attain it. It's not going to take one day nor 1 year maybe, but step by step, searching for yourself, being yourself, meditating. Step by step you come back, you come closer and closer, and step by step you start experiencing more and more of this peace. You start experiencing love, you become it, you come back to it. It's not that you become it, it's like you realize that you always were this, but you just played the role, acted the role of somebody else. Your ego. This is my answer. Thank you for the question, Simon. The fact that you have this question is the fact that you are searching for your true nature, and if you are searching, you are coming to it. No matter what type of practice, technique of meditation or whatever you do, if you have this in your heart, you are already coming back. Don't lose your patience, because you will need to have a lot of patience. You will learn patience also on the way, because the way is long, but the way is beautiful, is a blessing also.